resistors are connected in series and then to a 5-volt battery, what is the current? Okay, so you have a 5, a 5, and a 5. You got a 5, a 5, 5 ohms, 5 ohms, 5 volts. So the total resistance is 10 ohms because they add together. And you have V equals I, or, well, you have the triangle VIR. So we want the I equals V over R, which is 5 over 10, which is 0.5 amps. Did you get that? Congratulations. A 2 and a 3 are connected in parallel, and then this is connected to a 4 and a 2. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. Volts, volts, ohms, ohms. Right, so what do I want this time? The current here again. So using our triangle, I equals V, which is 6, over R, which is 5. So 1.2 amps. Yeah? No! My goodness. No, 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 no. No. 1 over R equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So what's that? 5 over 6, is it? Yeah. So then R equals 6 over 5. So let's try that again. I equals V over R, which equals 6 over 6 over 5. So I is 5 amps. Yeah? Okay, great. An electric company is laying down copper wire underwater. The copper wire is 4 centimeters in diameter and each strand is 200 kilometers long. The resistivity of copper is that. How much resistance is there in two wires braided together and insulated? So what you have here, you have 2 wires. First one and then second one. So 1 over R equals, this is R1 and this is R2, but they're the same. So it's 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, which is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R1, which is 2 over R1. So that means R equals R1 over 2. And we can use our formula from the last lesson, which is rho L over A over 2, which equals over 2 pi R squared. How long is it? 200 kilometers, 200,000, and the resistance 1.72 times 10 to the minus 8. So actually this question is like my extra question from the last lesson. You probably found this a little tricky? No? Well done then. So what answer did you get? No. 5.54 ohms. In the question, it says they're putting down 2 copper wires, so they're both the same. They didn't say they're different. The 2 wires the same. Yeah. Number 4. When 2 resistors are connected in series, the total resistance is 3, and when they're connected in parallel, it's 1.2. How big is each? Okay. Sure. Ham sandwich? Tomato, ketchup? Cheese? What do you have for supper now? Still pizza?
No good.
Fried rice.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
No
No good.
Every day is fried rice.
Everyday pizza,
Pizza,
then everyday
No,
fried rice.
pizza,
fried
fried rice.
rice. Because I don't like the fried
Yesterday
fish, I
lunch,
eat fried rice.
dinner and pizza, uh, fried rice, dinner. Just change between these three.
But I don't know what to do.
Sounds terrible.
Yeah.
Okay, next now. Right, so 3 and 1.2. So what's happening here, when you connect them um, in series, they have a total of 3. And when you connect them in parallel, they have a total of 1.2. How much is each? So you have 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 equals 1 over 1.2, and R1 plus R2 equals 3.
Can you show that example?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can't closer.
It's okay, I'll do it. So what we do is we could say R1 equals, we can use substitution, so I can say R1 equals 3 minus R2, yes?
Yeah.
And I can put that in there, so I get 1 over 3 minus R2 plus 1 over R2 equals 1 over 1.2, and let me change that into 1 over 3 minus x equals 1 over x equals 1 over 1.2.
Can I get 1 over 1.2 to 0.83?
Change this into 0.83?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do that.
Well, the answer is 0.5669.
We'll see.
Maybe.
1 over 3 minus x plus 1 over x equals 0.83333. Now, the trick here, first we multiply everything by x. Then we multiply everything by 3 minus x. So we're left with x plus 3 minus x equals 0.8333 x 3 minus x. Now that's great because that will kill that. So we're left with 3 equals 0.8333 x 3 minus x. So we get 3 equals, when I multiply, I get 2.5x minus 0.83333 x squared. So I have 0.83333 x squared minus 2.5x plus 3 equals 0. So you get x, oh no, no answer.
Yeah, I get no answer.
You too?
Yeah.
Then that means I made a mistake.
I get R2 equals 0.5.
0.5?
Last time I did my R2 is 1.
I don't know, but I
Maybe I made a
calculate
mistake.
many times. I can't get the answer.
Maybe I made a mistake. Let me think. Um, hmm. Maybe I made a mistake in my numbers. I didn't multiply anything wrong here, did I?
No.
So you have the same problem as me, no answer.
Yeah.
Then that means my numbers are wrong.
Maybe I did it wrong.
You got an answer. Yeah. Don't know.
Maybe it's not I, it's 0.3, not 0.3333.
Maybe.
Maybe
Okay. Maybe. Let me change this. Make your life better. you can change it to 0.6666. So that changes this here, instead of being 0.83. I know. This will be 1.5 instead.
Where did you change?
I changed in the question. Instead of 1.2, I made it 0.6666. So, Grace, this here will be 1 over 0.6666 here. So that, instead of being 0.833333, it will be 1.5. So that will be 1.5 and that will be 1.5. So, 3 equals 1.5 x 3 minus x. So 3 equals 4.5x minus 1.5x squared. 2 equals 3x minus x squared. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. X minus 2, x minus 1 equals 0. So you get then R2 equals 2, which then means R1 equals 1, or R2 equals 1, which would then mean R2 equals R1 equals 2. Same answer. That one resistor is 1 ohm and the other resistor is 2 ohms. So sorry about that. I didn't mean to give you an equation with no answers. But you had the right idea, so good job.
How I got
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if you said you changed to 0.83, I'll check that. 0.83 minus 2.53. No, still no answers. I just checked.
Yeah.
Where?
Here.
It's hard to check.
But my years is right.
Yes,
I
but your teacher was wrong. Okay, last question now. Let me just change it here. It's yes. Let me just change this to where? Here?
Higher.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, there.
They're so ugly now. So ugly. Okay, one more question left. I wish. That would be so great.
I want to eat McDonald's.
Huh?
I want McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's sounds nice.
Yeah.
Big Mac? Chicken sandwich?
Chicken hamburger.
Chicken.
Fried chicken hamburger.
It's called chicken sandwich.
I don't
Why?
understand.
Why?
McDonald's, they don't call it chicken burger, they say chicken sandwich.
How did you get from 3 equals that to 2 equals
I
that?
multiplied this out. So I did this, multiplied this, makes that one. And then I did this, multiplied this at the back, makes that one.
Yeah,
No,
how do you get
the one
three?
under that
This
one.
tree.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Here it is.
No, you cancel.
No, I cancelled the X.
Ah.
The
No,
tree's still here.
I mean under the 3.
This one.
No,
Yeah.
under some more.
This one.
Yeah.
Ah, I divide everything by 1.5.
Ah.
Ah, yeah.
Wait. Why chicken sandwich?
I don't know why they call it chicken sandwich. They just do.
But it's hamburger bread.
What?
It's hamburger bread.
Okay, I know it is. So we can call it chicken burger, okay? Alright. Irene, do you have this?
No, I don't have it.
Do you like KFC or
I do like KFC,
I don't
but
like
my favourite is Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King has big chips.
Oh, in
Yeah.
Australia, they
Big
call
burgers, big
their
chips.
Burger King is Hungry Jack.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
because
Yeah,
the another
You know the
place
story.
in Australia that was really already copyrighted the name Burger King,
Oh,
so they
really?
had to name it something else in
Ah,
Australia.
Hungry Jack.
Yeah.
Hungry Jack.
I like it. Okay.
No,
Oh,
quite a limit.
okay.
I don't like KFC.
It's okay. Once a year. Yeah.
My mom come here and ask me what do you want to eat. I said McDonald's, and my mom said I traveled from so far away to expect that.
I travelled 3,000 kilometres, not for McDonald's.
Yes, but I said I haven't eaten McDonald's for nearly 4 months, 3 months. But they have
It doesn't matter. Irish McDonald's is nicer.
yes.
Oh, good, you agree.
Yeah, I agree. McDonald's is better than everything.
Better than everything. Wow.
Every fast food.
Wow, that's a big claim.
Yes.
Okay, you got this now, Amanda?
No.
No.
My
Okay.
dad likes KFC.
Yes, KFC and Fanta.
What is Fanta? Oh.
Orange.
Really?
Oh, 7 Up.
I like Coke.
Yes. Oh, I know that.
Yes.
And hot chocolate?
No, Americano.
Huh?
Americano.
Americano?
Yes. And I need Coke.
How many sugars did you put in?
2.
Only 2.
3.
3. Okay. That sounds right.
Yes.
Last time you told me you put in 5.
Because it's multiplied.
Okay, of course. Right, Amanda, do you have this?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Right, so the last one here, I give you a little diagram. So I'll need to draw it. I want the voltages and the currents. Okay, so you'll have to help me draw this. Okay, so let me see. We go 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, and then here and here. Okay, do I tell you what the resistance is here?
Yes.
What is it?
2,
2 ohms.
yeah,
And then
Yes.
next one is
3
3, 4.
and 4.
3 and 4. And then down here, what is it? Yeah, now be very careful. It's 6 and 6.
No.
Yep.
No, 4 off.
Look, E and E. And E is 6.
Is it E?
Yeah, look.
It is.
But you say battery put together just one.
Yeah, so this is a battery. It has 2 cells. Each cell is E. The E is 6. Yeah?
Yes.
How many people use 12? Congratulations. How many people use 6? The rest of you, right? Okay. So let's calculate this. So let me get the total resistance first. 1/3 plus 1/4 is something.
7/12.
Thank you. So that means here we have, I'll put in blue, 12/7 ohms. And here we have 2 ohms. So together,
26/7.
thank you, it is 26/7. 26/7 ohms. And here we have 12 volts. So if I use my VIR, I want what I get first. Well, I get in fact, I think for this question, you need to get the I first. So I, which is here, equals V/R which equals 12 over 26 over 7.
Wait, how did you get 36/7 ohm?
I added the 2 with the 12 over 7 to get the total.
That equals 31/12.
Do a double check.
Yeah, I just
I
did. Oh no wait. Oh wait.
What?
What?
Uh
48/26.
oh yeah, it's correct. My bad.
Ah.
26 over 7. Yes, you have the answer. What did you say?
48/26 is 42/6.
42 over 13 amps. That's the current.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. So, what do I want?
B.
I want the voltage. Okay, so I can get the voltage here first because I can use my formula again, V I or. So here the V equals I or, which will equal 42 over 13 times 2.
6.46.
Yep, 6.46. So this is the first voltage, I'll call it V1. V1 is 6.46. Now, here's the trick. V2 should equal V3. And this should equal what?
Wait, where's V3?
Oh, just here, 2 and 3. This is 1. I'm calling this 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I forgot to get 2 and 3.
Yes, not finished yet.
So V2 and V3 also equal 6 point something.
No,
Oh,
no.
No, parallel.
why?
Yeah, they're parallel, so these must be the same. We agree there.
Yeah.
But what happens when they're in
Ah.
series?
Yeah.
No, V2 plus V3 equals 6 point something.
This voltage,
2 of this is 6.
2 of this is 12.
No.
This plus this makes 12. Look here.
Where did I see?
Look, 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 look. This here is VA. This here is VB. And the total, VC. This must equal that plus that. It's V equals VA, VB. Yes?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, because we know this one here, and we know that this must be 12, I can know what this is. It should be 12 minus this. So 12 minus answer, and I get 5.54.
12 minus 6 point.
12 minus 6.46. Now time for the currents. I already know the first current. It's 42 over 13. 3.23 amps. That's I1. But now I need to get I2 and I3. So you know from this formula, I equals V over R. So I2 would be V over R. And then I3 would be V over R. So this would be 2.77 amps. And then this is 1.85 amps. No, it is not. Let's try that again. 5.54 divided by 2, 2.77. Oh no, sorry, it's not 2 and 3. Sorry. What's the resistance? 3 and 4. Sorry, that should have been a 3 and that should have been a 4. Let's recalculate. 5.54 divided by 3, 1.85. And then 5.54 divided by 4, 1.39. Now, if you add these together, what should you get? You should get 3.23 because that goes in here and then it splits. So the I2 and the I3, it should add together to make the I1. So let's check that it does. 1.85 plus 1.39, and I get 3.24. Yeah, close enough. Yeah. Okay. Close this?
No. Is it 3, 5 plus 55 over 2?
Yes. Sorry, that's a 3 ohms and a 4 ohms. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Close it.